Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start sewing to complete the Brushstroke Whimsy quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to take the quest from catching. You can open up the map and track catching. And then you're going to do the quest or complete the quest by sewing. Okay, first of all, you need to have the drawing board in your house. Okay, I'm going to go to my drawing board, and then here you need to draw a sketch. Okay, I'm going to select this icon to start drawing. Okay, and then I'm going to select new drawing. Okay, I'm going to create dress, so we can select dress, and then we can click on start painting. All right, and then I'm going to color it with this black color like this, and I'm going to use sticker from the template. I'm going to use the sticker, okay, like this guys, and then I'm going to finish it. We can click on this save icon. Okay, and the next one we're going to use this sketch to sew, and we're going to go to our workbench. Okay, my workbench is here, and I'm going to click on this icon, and then I'm going to choose dress and start sewing. Okay, and I'm going to use this one, and we need to have this tailoring ticket, and you can get it from completing a quest. And I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, just wait a second, and done. Sewing successful. Okay guys, and that's how you can start sewing in a Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!